Okay, quick look at the currencies next before we go into the payrolls. So cable looks like yesterday's low was the bottom of the B wave, in which case, if we whiz out to the 4-hour chart, we should be headed up now to the target zone up here between the 618 and 764 for this 2. If you took that trade entry on the alert sent out yesterday, just manage it carefully. We should get a small pullback at some point, but stops at yesterday's low. You can always then take another stab if it wants to come down one more fib level later. Euro, I'm looking for this move up here. We possibly have a 1-2 of the initial part of the A wave of this 2 in place, and therefore correspondingly in the US dollar, I think we've got a 1-2 or possibly even an AB down, but I'm looking lower in this B wave in the US dollar. And then the US dollar Japanese yen, we hit this 2.0 extension here for the top of the 3. I think this is an A wave down. I don't think it's all of the 4. A, B, C for the B is what I'm looking for. Then one more drop. If I see that, then I'll add back a lot of what I took off the other week, or the other day in actual fact, for the move higher, because having extended in the 3 of C, I'm looking at 116.76 above us as the more likely target now. Australian dollar, I'm just going to stick with the weekly and daily. I'm looking for this just to drop down one last time here, and then it really does need to hold down here. And you could take a speculative long if it hits the 1.0 or the 886 with a minuscule stop and see what it gives us. If it takes these areas out, then we need to reconsider the much longer time frame counts in the Australian dollar.